You've probably been self-printing your labels at your local office supply store, and let's face it, they're But here at Leapin Lizard, we want to help you find the best possible material for your labels. For example, we have this economy paper here. Great for people on a budget, great for dry environments, such as this beautiful Colorado day. But a horrible product if you're trying to shower with it or are in wet environments. On the flip side, we have this B OPP material, which is great for all types of environments. Take that, kid. Go home and cry to your mom. Whatever your labeling needs are, here at Leapin Lizard, we got you covered.